Hey guys, so recently Gmail changed how you can add a calendar invite directly from Gmail. This is the feature that I like to take advantage of when scheduling invites based on an email that someone sent me. So you see here, this is an example that an email that I sent myself just for this video, but saying let's connect. The body of the email says, are you free on Tuesday at 10 a.m.? In the past, you could scroll up slightly and click on these three dots, and there was a menu option that said create an event. That has since disappeared. Now what you need to do is click on reply, and then towards the bottom, just where you would edit your fonts or text or other things, there's an icon that says add a calendar invite. So if you click on here, it says set up a time to meet. Click on these three dots. In some versions of Gmail, you may actually see a little calendar icon over here. So it changes a bit depending on your Gmail account, your Google account. If you click on set up a time to meet, you can click on offer times that you're free or create an event. So this was similar to the create an event that used to appear on the very, very top. As I showed previously, if you click on the three dots, that has since moved down here or can be found in an icon on this panel depending on your Gmail view. If you click create an event, it'll take you to this little sidebar that pops up. It says, are you free to connect, or let's connect rather, as your subject line. You can click on it and change it. You can say meeting with XYZ, and you can change your time or whatever else it is. It's some reason in this case it's not actually pulling in the time that was in the email. Previously I thought it did more of that, but you can change the time, whatever you need to do. You can invite other people, and you can change all of that stuff here and click save, and it'll be automatically added to your calendar. So this is how you can create an event directly from your Gmail view, as well as inviting other people to the invite, changing the time, changing the meeting name. That's all available here. Again, they just changed the location of it, but it is still available here.